In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove parentheses or open bracket or closing bracket in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some name which have open bracket and closing bracket. We want to remove this. For this, we just need to enter a formula which is substitute. Then select your text. This is our text, and put a comma. Then what is our old text? We want to replace our value which is first opening parenthesis, then close the bracket, then close the quotation, then put a comma. Then new text is our nothing, that's why we are giving just quotation and close the bracket, then put enter. Here you can see that open bracket has been removed, but we need to remove closing bracket also. For this, we just going there and just add another substitute. Then this time this is our value and putting a comma. Then this time we are removing closing bracket, that's why we are entering closing bracket and put quotation again, then put a comma, and then in which it will replace, that will nothing, and then close the bracket, then put enter. Look, your first bracket and closing bracket has been removed from your data. If you drag it to last or double click there, you can see that all the parentheses has been removed from your data. This is how you can easily remove open and closing bracket in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching.